Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your screen light flash whenever you receive a notification. Here's how to do it. Go to your settings, then click on accessibility, then click on the advanced settings. Now you want to click on a flash notification, and here you will see the option that says screen flash notification. If you turn on that, what's going to happen? You will be able to see that your screen light will flash whenever you receive a notification. And if you look towards the section that says all apps, you can tap on the color and you can change what color to make it show whenever you receive a notification. As you can see, by default it has like a yellow, but you can change that to blue or whatever you want. See, I just switch it there, and you can easily do that. You can also make that for a specific app if you want. So you can just click on those apps and you can choose if you wanted to do so for a specific app, or you can just simply leave it for all apps and it will work just fine. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.